Do you know that why mobile phones and laptops have airplane mode and what is the exact use of airplane mode? If you too have questions like what is airplane mode and what is the use of airplane mode, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Om and in this video I am going to explain that what is airplane mode. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, let's start with understanding that what is an airplane mode. Airplane mode is nothing but a setting of your phone, which is also called as offline mode, standby mode or flight mode. So whenever you turn on or activate the flight mode or the airplane mode on your mobile phone, then the transmission signal of your mobile phone gets completely disabled, which means that you will not be able to call anyone from your phone, nor you will be able to receive calls from another person. Similar things happen with the SMS facility also. You will not be able to send SMS to anyone, nor you will be able to receive SMS from anyone. So whenever you turn on the airplane mode, the facilities like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth as well as the location, which is also known as GPS facility, gets turned off temporarily. However, you can turn on these facilities again manually from your phone settings. Now the main question arises that what is an airplane mode and why it is recommended to turn on the airplane mode or either turn off your phone when you are on a flight. So your mobile phone basically tries to communicate with the nearest star in order to provide you uninterrupted network 24/7 so that you don't face any network problem. But when the mobile phone does not find the tower near you, it tries to boost the signal in order to make the mobile connect with the nearest star so that you don't have to face any issue. So in such situations, if the mobile network is not available, then the mobile phone boosts the signal, which means that the radiations which are radiated from your mobile phone will affect the airplane sensors and the navigation system, and which may confuse the pilot during the flying hours. So due to this, it is often recommended during the flights that you should turn off your mobile phone or either turn on the airplane mode on your mobile phone. For example, if you forget to turn on your airplane mode, then it doesn't mean that your plane will crash. But it's still recommended to turn off the mobile phone or turn on the airplane mode because the signals radiated from your mobile phone can still create confusion for the pilot during the flying hours. So that was the information on airplane mode. The airplane mode is not a much complicated process, but still most of the people think that if they forget to turn on the airplane mode, then their plane will crash. But such things doesn't happen in reality. So that was the information in this video. If you like the video, then do hit the like button. If you have any questions in your mind, then comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.